Hello everyone, it is LoveGildra and this is a quick how to hang curtains and curtain rods. The things that you would need is a level, which I don't have a level right now, but I have kind of taught my brother into hanging up the curtains for me, and I trust that he can wing it without a level. He know about this whole stuff. Another thing is a measuring tape. I will say measuring tape is very important. Make sure that you measure your area, because I had purchased another curtain rod and I just knew it was gonna work. And earlier today, he was over here and he was like, "This ain't finna work." He was like, "Look at it." So he held it up. It was like a couple inches too short. So I measured. Measuring tape, very important. After I measured, I went to Walmart and I just looked. Walmart had a lot of different designs, so I just looked around to find what was gonna work for me. And this was the one that's gonna go best with my room. And it was like $15, $14, like 78 cents. And it clearly says here that it goes up to from 30 to 84 inches. So I need the 84 inch even, exactly, like 84 on the money. That was how much we measured earlier. So long story short, here we go. He is here. Now you do need curtain hook hardware or whatever, but it clearly says on here white finish hardware included. It expands from 30 to 84 inches. Here we go, and let's get started. And this right here, that's where the curtains are going to go. I've been in my home for many years. However, I'm built off and I'm just finally getting around to it. So here we go. I'm so excited to finally get my curtains hung with a curtain rod that fits, that's long enough, okay? The length is the whole thing. Make sure that you get it the right length. Thank y'all for watching. Love. Y'all, I'm back quickly to say that you definitely gonna need a drill. You gonna need a drill. It's just the drill what they need. The measuring tape, the drill, the curtain hardware. That's all, right? And the curtain rod, of course. That's all, right? My brother looking at me like I'm crazy. Okay, you need a drill. And one more thing, you gonna need a ladder because ain't nobody that tall. That's like 7 feet tall. Ain't nobody that tall. Oh, and I wanted to show y'all. Let me go show you. Okay. Got from Dirt Cheap for like $2. They are so long. It's gonna see if I can get trim around for y'all to see how long they are. Okay, they gonna go from ceiling to floor length. Ceiling to floor length. Cause I wanna hang mine higher to make the room look expanded, brighter, beautiful. You know.
So now he's assembling it, getting it all together.
I wanted to be like right there, same spot, but over, not in nothing.
Yeah, nigga, I own show fucking everything. Fuck you, everything.
What the fuck I'm doing? I just bought this shit. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
What is it? Yes, stop!
Supposed to have 2 curtains.
Maybe 3.
What? So I'm back with a final outcome. The final outcome is this. I love the look. I love the curtains. However, I was so excited about going to Dirt Cheap and getting deals and getting the $2 curtain, not realizing that you need 2 curtains for a wonder like this. I didn't know. He just put it up, and now
These called curtains, not curtains.
now I got 1 curtain.
Oh, boy.
So I'm gonna go to Target because Dirt Cheap vendor is Target, Walmart a lot of times. So I'm gonna go back to Target and Walmart, see if I can find it. If I can't, then I'm just gonna have to buy a whole new set of curtains. Ross, TJ Maxx, Walmart, Target, somewhere. long story short, also I got them from floor to ceiling, as you can see. They kind of, I don't like the way it lay on the floor. Another thing that I would recommend is look at how wrinkled it is. So get a steamer. I'm gonna steam it. I'm gonna get on the ladder and I'm gonna steam it when I get the matching piece. But for this moment, this is the finale. I hope this helps someone. You know, I don't know it all. I'm learning as I go. It didn't click. It just didn't click, and I'm thankful that he put it up for me. He was not happy about putting it up. He was frustrated from dealing with me, but whatever. It's up, and preferably he'll deal with me to get the other piece on sooner than later. Anyway, thank y'all for rocking with me. LoveGildra. I will be back soon. I'm gonna do a home tour. I'm getting my house together. Fine. I'm gonna show y'all the outcome. It might have started out rough, but it's gonna be better in the end real soon. Good night, y'all. Hello everyone, it's LoveGildra. Today is September 1st, 2021, and I'm still upset about my curtain from the other day from Saturday night. So long story short, I said let me just come back to Dirt Cheap in my city and just see if I can find a curtain similar or just a whole nother set of curtains. Get the Dirt Cheap and let me just show y'all what I see. Y'all, this is so amazing. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna be out of $6 for a whole set of curtains. Let me go get it real quick and show y'all. Look at what I see. This is identical, I think, if my memory serves me right, to the one at home. And it's super long, so I know that it's the 95-inch curtain. And it's made by Threshold, which is the same company. And so this clearly says right here, curtains right here are $4. So I'm gonna go on and get this today, right now. Dirt Cheap is one of the hidden gems. I'm telling y'all my secrets. Okay, everyone, and this is the final outcome. My curtains are finally home years later, and I like them. They still allow the natural light to come in. I may consider some shades for the actual windows real soon for more privacy, of course, but it is on that. But however, that's the final outcome. Thank you all for watching. LoveGildra.